Hello guys, welcome again. Today I will be showing you how to code an interface to do registration in PHP. I've already created the GUI here that you're seeing, the user interface that you can see right now. I already assume that you know this, and I will not take you through the HTML CSS aspect as I assume you're already familiar with it. So here when you do your entries and you click sign up, to automatically sign you up. And so let me take you to the system. I've already done my coding here and I don't want to bother you with all the process. As you guys know, time is important. I will just do the explanation part of it. This is statement that you're seeing up here. This one helps you, it helps initiate for you the connection to the database. So you can either do it here. Let me just comment you something here. This one can be the connection, you can say, to the database, the DB, and you can ship to the next line if you like. It's all the same. This one here is the connection to the database, and I love always write it in single line. So that's the connection to the database. My database exists inside this folder includes, and that's my database file. So the next one, you check if the submit button is clicked. This button here, if it is clicked, then what we do the following. So you say if is set, the pause the pause variable here helps you. It helps information not to be shown in the URL, so it helps in hiding. So if this submit button is clicked, then we should go ahead also verify if the rest are also clicked. So we say if this is clicked, then we do the following. If it's not clicked, don't do anything. So it is clicked, we go and we assign the email, we check it also, and all this entire process come after that. So if that's done, then we go ahead and come and write our query here, which will read insert into the user. The user is our table name in our database, and you can see it right there. So we go ahead and write the insert into, and as you guys know, let me just write a small comment. As you guys know that the insert takes two parameters. The first parameter is consisting of the names that are exactly in the database that can be found, and you go ahead and you capture the next one, the values, and you capture the input from the user, which are always referred to the variables that we have set up there, and that's how it is formatted. That's the syntax for writing the insert in MySQL, and you can see we are saying insert into these fields, this username, this and this and this that we have created that are already existing here, this and that. So insert into them, and the values that we are inserting are the variable email, first name, variable last name, and password. This one here are going to be captured based on the user input here. What the user input is what's going to be captured when you say sign me up, and it goes to the next. So after that is evaluated and is true, then we set it's going to give us a result, and the result is going to be my SQL query, and it returns as the connection, checks on the connection and the query that we have set up there. And now we evaluate if it is not successful. If not these results here, then we should go ahead and die. The die function ends the entire process. So the process is cancelled, it ends here, and it will not longer come and execute for us this line of code here. it will end the process. If it is successful, then it should give us a message variable saying your successful been registered. And then we come and define the message, we come and set it, that message here, we come and echo it here where we want it to be displayed in this form, in our form here. If we want it here, if we want it here, we just go to your code and set it, write a PHP. As you guys know, PHP is just helps you do the processing, and that is its work. So we come here and say echo if the message is only is set. If not is set, you go ahead and give us nothing, and this is what this message is saying, and that's the entire code that you're seeing. So you can go ahead and write the code, and thank you for watching. That is the entire process, and also, if you have any issues with the design, if you want us to also do the design together, and then I will also help. Thank you for your time, and always remember to subscribe. Thank you.